So congratulations on paying everyone before you have even touched an ounce of your own money. You've been told your entire lives that mutual funds sahi hai, and that is the only way through which a salaried employee can attain financial freedom. But somewhere I strongly believe that behind the glossy ads and the polished advices, the entire system of mutual funds is built to benefit somebody else and not you. Mutual funds are absolutely not free. Even so-called commission-free platforms pass on expense ratios which can be a silent killer. Even actively managed mutual funds can have expense ratio as high as 2%. If you do an SIP of over say 20-25 years, this can amount up to lakhs and crores, and this will go away from your corpus. This expense ratio is the income of mutual fund houses, and that is the exact reason they deliberately want you to do SIPs of 20 years, 25 years or over 30 years so that they keep on churning profits. If you don't believe me, have a look at this example. If you do an SIP of 20,000 per month for say 25 years at a CAGR of say 15% and the expense ratio is 1%, then at the end of 25 years, your corpus would be 5.5 crores, but at the same time, you would have ended up paying expense of around 1.1 crore rupees to your mutual fund house. If this example does not convince you to start learning about direct stock investing and managing your own portfolio, then I don't know what else will. Mutual fund managers are not some gurus. They wear suits, they speak in jargons, and somehow are marketed like some stock market wizards. But in truth, 80 to 90% of even actively managed mutual funds fail to beat the index returns over long term. People think mutual funds are magic, they will just make you crorepati. But even SIPs are not immune to poor fund selection. There are thousands of mutual funds and many fail to even beat Nifty 50 returns over long terms. You're paying extra fees and still losing to an index. Imagine paying crores of rupees in expense ratio, taking market risk, having patience for 25 years, and still your investment is not beating the index returns. Don't you feel many a times you're bombarded with biased investment advices? The agents you meet, the relationship managers, or the social media influencers glorify past performance of certain mutual funds, but they fail to disclose that they will earn trailing commissions as long as you continue to do SIP in that fund. And this trailing commission, this expense ratio, all of that goes from your hard-earned money. And the commission that you pay to the relationship managers, the agents, the Instagram influencers is over and above the crore rupees that you would have actually paid to the mutual fund house's expense ratio. So congratulations on paying everyone before you have even touched an ounce of your own money. People blindly believe that higher the star rating of a fund, higher the performance of a fund will be. But don't you believe that change is the only constant in the world, and star ratings of a mutual fund also undergo a change? A 5-star fund today can become a 2-star fund just next year. But actually we are wrong in comparing two different things. We look at the star ratings of a fund and try to predict what the future performance will be. But the star rating which is given to a fund is based on its past performance, and what we are anticipating is the future performance. Mirae Asset Large and Mid Cap Fund once had a 5-star rating and was a top performer in its category, but today its rating is just 2-star. I need not list down 10 examples, you can just go to Google and get hundreds of such examples. But most relationship managers, influencers, or agents try to sell you mutual funds just on the basis of star ratings. So if somebody glorifies a certain mutual fund only because of the star rating, you remember that it's a trap. I'm not against mutual funds. I myself also do mutual funds. But before you try to invest in mutual funds or put all your money in mutual funds and turn a blind eye to whatever is happening in the world, I want you to know that investing is optional, but learning is not optional. Mutual funds are a very powerful tool, but only if you understand how mutual fund works, then you will understand how to actually harness the power of mutual funds. Don't follow the hype, don't follow the ad, don't follow the influencers. Do your own research and start asking tough questions. Trust me, no mutual fund manager in the world cares about your money more than you do. You can comment your thoughts in the comment section below and we can get talking. Your thoughts can be different from mine. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that we stay connected on these important topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.